Thanks for joining me today. What we're going to do is just whip these badges off of here. As nice as they are, I'm not a massive fan of the badges. They get all dirt in them and stuff, and it's a bit of a giveaway. I just think it looks a bit more stealth if we take that off. So what we've got here is a piece of stiff wire. You can use fishing line if you've got a bit of fishing line. And they're literally held on with like sticky pads. So if we get that in behind it, and just give it a little tug, away they come. There's one of them. And this doesn't damage the lettuce. You will be able to stick them back on if you wanted to with some new sticky backing pad, which is just like the 3M double-sided sticky tape. Let's try this one here as well. We'll get that in behind that. They're really close. I'm going to get a bit of fishing line for those. So this is just a roll of nice fine fishing wire there. And again, we just whip a bit out, not a lot. Drop it on the floor. That's does it now, look, it everywhere. Fishing wire is, well, it's supposed to be the safest way. Sometimes it snaps, the metal one's quite sturdy. But again, if we just get that in behind there and then just give it a little, just slice it, just move it backwards and forwards, and it just cuts its way through it. There's one. And then that one, just give it like a little bit of a sawing action, and away it comes. Okay, all we've got to do now is just get rid of this, which is, if it won't pick off, we get the heat gun on it and just relieve it of its duties. Okay, so I've got a hot air blower. Just give that a little whack, just get a bit of heat into it. Okay, so now we're almost there. We can get these are the Grimex wipes. They're absolutely fantastic. We give that a wipe down. Just a nice rub on that. There we go. Off it comes. Brilliant. Just finish off with a quick walk down there. Is that all gone there? Beautiful. So there we have it. Nicely debadged, looking absolutely lovely. So the car's all nicely debadged. I'll pop a link in the description for the grime wipes and any other bits and pieces I've used today. Looking absolutely stealth and beautiful. If it's been of use, if you enjoyed that one, just drop me a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.